vacuum dryer based on absorbing advanced technology from overseas. Manufacturer leading, less area cover, large productivity, good quality, high efficiency, energy saving, and environment protect. Dedicated in drying paste or slurry particle. Widely applied in food, pharmaceutical, and chemicals. The machine body is horizontal cylindrical type. The two ends are supporting frame, sealing, and transmission system. The cylinder body is divided into three parts: inner liner, jacket, and outer insulation. The dryer mainly includes intelligent control box, drying cylinder body, sealed end cover, stirring tooth, uniform speed transmission device, heat source inlet and outlet, inner shaft heating using rotary joint inlet and outlet, safety valve, vacuum port, feeding port, pressure gauge, post-dust collector, pneumatic discharge port, condensate discharge port, etc. The horizontal structure of the whole dryer, all the equipment parts, are integrated on the steel frame, and the heating medium can be hot water, steam, or heat transfer oil. The entire design is reasonable, the structure is compact, and the dryer runs smoothly and stably. Principle and features. The dryer adopts large area heating method with large heat transfer surface and high thermal efficiency. Start the dryer. The heat source inlet valve is open for heating, and the wet material is transmitted to the drying cylinder through the feeding port. When the dryer is working, the harrow is driven by main shaft under vacuum conditions for dispersing, stirring, layer by layer driving and drying. The material is continuously drove upside down, dispersed and stirred by the harrow, fully contacted with the surface of the heat receiver wall, uniformly heated and accelerate the drying, and the water is evaporated and then pumped out by the vacuum pump to avoid surface discoloring and blocking when the material is dry. Greatly shortens the drying time and increases the productivity by about 2/3 of the time when the similar materials are dried in a vacuum oven. It is especially used for drying heat-sensitive materials and the materials that are easily to be oxidized, and does not destroy the crystal structure during the drying. The dried material is discharged through a specially designed high-sealing discharge port, which is directly packaged after cooling. Our company can add the evaporate device according to the customer's requirements, and provide customers with more comprehensive technical support and services according to different material configuring special filtering methods.